Hello friends, welcome back, and if you are new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I'm back again with a plant video, and this is how my Hoya the Crimson Princess looks. It has given out new leaves here and there, and they are just pink in color. This Hoya plant is also called a wax plant. This is the Crimson Princess, and this is the growing period for this particular plant. As you can see, tiny pink leaves here and there. I have just watered my plant after I think 4-5 days because they do not like too much of watering, because you can see the leaves are very thick and waxy. So let us move on to our cryptanthus. This is the peachy color. I'm showing you this because I'm going to show you another one, the red one. Both have been given to me by my younger cousin, I think 3-4 years back, and these are the babies. These are not the original plant. Now this particular plant pot is interesting because you can see 3 different plants growing there. That is the Graptopetalum superbum. It is supposed to be purple, but as it is under the leaf, so it is green in color. That is leaf grown. That is the best part. And this particular is a 6 inches pot, and it has the zygocactus, the cryptanthus, which is the red one, as I told you, given to me by my younger cousin. So this particular pot has 3 different plants growing there. Now let us move on to this Aeonium kiwi. Look at it, how colorful it has turned. This particular plant has been bought from the flower show in the month of February. If you all haven't watched the visit to the flower show or the plant hall, do check it. I'm sure you're going to love it. This is how it has colored up, because here the summers have set in and the sun is turning it so very colorful. Everywhere new heads are popping. They are squeezing themselves out, and earlier too I told you I'm going to shift it to a pot, but till now I have not been able to do that, but I'm going to do it. This is my golden sedum. It belongs to the family Crassula. It is also called the firestorm. Now moving on to my ice plant. Look at it. This is also from the flower show. It is called the Corpuscularia lehmanni. It is so very tough, so it's better to call it the ice plant. And this is the variegated one. I have the non-variegated one as well, and this is the variegated one. This is the second plant. The earlier one which I had bought, that vanished into the soil, and this is my second purchase from the flower show. And look at it, how beautiful it is, pretty. Now let's move on to our Echeveria trumpet. Echeveria because see, it has pointed leaves, and this is the trumpet because when the leaves are young it is all rolled up. This is also one of my favorite succulent. Every year I buy them, and every year you know what happens to them. Let us admire this cute succulent, the chubby one. This is the Pakupaitam, and look at it, babies everywhere. Actually this too needs to be repotted. It needs to be shifted to a bigger pot, and I'm going to do that very soon. I don't know when, but I'll try my best to do it, maybe in the weekend. So this is how it looks. This is the burro's tail. What a beautiful plant it is. It's a succulent. I also have a burro's tail, but this is more compact. Look at this Echeveria. This particular pot has different succulents arranged in a single pot. This too is from the flower show. Guys, you all must watch my flower show video. It's a beautiful one, and I'm sure you're going to love it. Look at the succulents, look at the arrangement. All of them are different. Look at it. Earlier when I had bought the plant, the leaves were soft. Now it has acclimatized to my climate. And now this is the twisted jade, the Crassula, one of my favorite. You all know that. It's coloring up. That is the reason I keep showing you this plant. And yes, I'm going to take the cuttings of this plant as well. Actually, I don't know when is the season for taking the cuttings for succulents. I think I can give it a try. Now this is a beautiful Graptosedum, all grown from leaves. The mother plant was given to me by my sister-in-law Rosa long time back, and these are all the leaf grown ones. It's about 2 years old. If not 2, it's 1.5 year old. Very, very easy to propagate, and they are just wonderful. They will make you happy always. Beautiful. And you give them the full sun, they are going to color up. This is another pot which has 2 different succulents growing together, all leaf grown. One is the Graptosedum and one is the sedum. The sedum has started to color up already. You can see it turning pinkish. This is the reason why I love growing succulents. Although they keep vanishing, but still I keep buying them. Yes, you cannot buy happiness, but you can surely buy plants. So thank you, my dear friends, for staying till the end. If you all have liked the video, to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye for today.